Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to cut some oxtail on the bandsaw. So first what I'm doing right now, I'm just cleaning out the fat off the oxtail because it does come with a lot of fat, and yes, it is a cow tail. And pretty much that's how long the cow tail is. So what I'm doing right now, just using my 10-inch knife to go ahead and scrape as much fat off as possible can, because when I cut meat, I like to cut it the same as if I'm taking home for my family. So pretty much I like to make sure I clean it thoroughly. So pretty much I like to get as much fat off, and the oxtail is very fatty, so I would like to take my time and get as much fat off. That's what I like to tell people all the time. If you're buying oxtail, don't buy them on trim, because as you can see, I'm taking a lot of fat off this oxtail before I get to the meat. So now what I'm doing right now, we're gonna make some thin slice oxtail. So these are pretty much an inch thick. Pretty much that's why it's good not to cut the tail off. So once you leave it, it gives you a handle to hold on to, so that way you stay away from obviously the blade on the bandsaw, because it's very dangerous. And once again, when you end the bandsaw, it's not good to talk and stay focused. So my first cut is just to get the bone off that's not edible, and just gonna go ahead and slice them. And these steaks are gonna be they're gonna cook a lot quicker. It's hard to find them because it is very dangerous to cut the oxtail on the bandsaw. So a lot of places are not gonna have it. And a lot of times, if you do see it like this, it's gonna cost more than the regular way because it is dangerous and it takes a lot of labor. So that's why you don't see it everywhere you go, because it is very dangerous. And this is what they look like. What I'm doing right now, I'm pretty much scraping off the bone dust off the oxtail, because if you don't, the bone dust is gonna make the oxtail turn a lot quicker than if you were to cut it with a knife. And that's another reason a lot of places don't like to cut it, because if it doesn't sell fast and it has the bone dust, it's definitely going to turn quick. And once it starts turning quick, it's going to look green, and a lot of people's not going to want to buy it. And so these are what the sliced oxtails would look like. Like I said, a lot of the time you go to the grocery store or your meat store and you can find them, but like I said, a lot of times they're going to cost more than the regular oxtail. A lot of people like these, but like I said, it costs a lot of time and it's dangerous, so a lot of places don't cut them. So that's the reason why you don't see them quite often. But to me, I like these better. They cook a lot better, and it looks like more versus the big heavy ones that nobody really wants. So that's why I prefer these type of oxtail. So when I'm cutting oxtail for myself or whoever, I like to cut them like this because it does stretch more. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.